Plants are super cool. I like how broad they are and how basically they're essential for everything in life. They're used for food, different textiles and building materials. They can purify the air. Lots of cool things they can do, and it's super cool to learn about. So originally when I decided I wanted to go to school, my original career that I wanted was a winemaker. So I was interested in the grape breeding that has been done here for more Minnesota hardy grapes. I feel like there's a large amount of resources on campus for plants. There's, seed research and all that. There's the greenhouses, so it's hands-on and in-depth with it. It's not just sitting in a classroom looking at a projector of pictures of plants. You get to actually handle the plants, grow them from seed or parts of plants propagated and stuff, and actually see hands-on first person the growth of it instead of just demonstrations from a desk. I want to continue to be able to handle plants, grow plants, and I like that it provides an opportunity to have a career that is hands-on versus sitting at a desk. That's not something I'm really interested in. Well, first of all, obviously it allowed me to come to school, take advantage of the opportunity and resources that the U of M does have, but it's also given me opportunities for gaining relationships, friendships, because you have meetings and gatherings with the other scholars, so getting to know them, nice little smaller community to help you feel a little more comfortable on campus.